Oh my god, that guy is so handsome.
What do you mean?
I want someone stronger, more attractive.
Okay, baby, come with me.
No, I won't let this end. I will change. I will become a better version of myself.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's find the items that help Durple change himself.
Which one should I choose?
Yes, this one. What's in this bag? This is so exciting. Welcome to the Mystery Flip Challenge. Your mission is simple. Flip the cards and find 2 matching pictures. Each correct pair will open a mystery gift box. In one of those gift boxes, there is the Divine Muscle Drink. Whoever finds it first will receive unparalleled power. Let's flip the puzzle piece.
No. Yes!
Wow! Welcome to math class.
Congratulations! You have completed the math challenge. Your reward is clothes. Welcome two contestants to the Super Bubble Shooter game. The winner will receive the height increase cake. Who's ready? Yeah! I will win this game.
Good luck, Durple. I never lose in this game.
Okay, each person has 3 shots. Whoever has the higher total score wins. Let's go! I win! I won the prize of this game, the height increasing cake.
Wow, I love it!
Welcome to the Find the Right Hair Challenge. The rules are simple. Match the right hairstyle to each face. Whoever gets it right 5 times first wins the handsome lotion. Exactly! to the ultimate fishing game. Use your fishing rod to pull up high-scoring fish. Whoever reaches 100 points first wins and gets a new pair of shoes. Welcome to SPA Change Yourself. What service would you like to use today? First of all, you have to take care of your facial skin beautifully. This is mask. New clothes, lipstick.
Honey, do you like to walk with me?
Of course, baby, I'm very happy. What? Durple hit you? I'm so sorry. Can we go back, Durple?
You're out of luck, Simon. I have a girlfriend.
Oh no! Let's break up, Gray. Bye-bye.